So in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Cooler MasterLiquid ML120L RGB AOI cooler. This is the first AOI cooler I've ever bought, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be expecting, but during this video we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. So open up the plastic. This cooler isn't that expensive. I think we paid around £40 for it. And it's supposed to fit any CPU, so there should be brackets in there for anything. I would probably be fitting it onto an AM4. So this is it in its box. It's pretty cool packaging. I'm not keen on the purple because it kind of makes you think that the LEDs are just purple, but I believe they're RGB, so they should change colour. So we'll open it up. A bit of padding in the top. And that's it, it's pretty simple really. So we've got the cooling chamber, lots of instructions, a 120mm fan, this is an RGB one, so that should light up. We have a radiator, so that should fit standard 120 screw configuration. Got a bag of brackets and all sorts of goodies. And that's it. We'll open some stuff up. This is a Cooler Master 120mm RGB fan. Appears to be 4 pins, so it'll go straight onto the motherboard, chassis mounts, and it's got a standard RGB connector by the look of it. Now this motherboard's supposed to, this AOI is also supposed to come with its own controller, so you don't have to control it from the motherboard, which I think is this thing. Or is that not? No, that's cabling. Extra power, extra RGB pins, so that's the controller. We've got a controller there, so we should be able to control the lights independently. Actually comes with some heatsink compound, which is good. So then, and they've labelled the bag, so that's for the Intel AGA 2011. Extra pieces and some extra screws. I think we'll need the instructions to fit this one. Have a look at the radiator. That's a pretty cool radiator actually. It looks much cooler than I thought it was going to on the box, and obviously it's an all-in-one, so it's all come completely attached. The fan will ride up here somewhere onto the unit, which seems to have, yeah it does, it's got rubber feet, stop any vibrations. That's pretty cool feature. And then that will mount to the case, probably the other way around to be honest, and that will mount to the case. And then we've got the block. So the block appears to have its own RGB connectors, and obviously its own fan. That's only a 3-pin connector, but that'll go on the motherboard anyway. And then we've got the block, so we've got the seal over the top. Do not peel, please peel off label before you install. Well, I'm not going to peel it off now because I'm not going to install it now. But that is actually a pretty cool thing. More to come on this one, because I'm going to be fitting it to, I think I'm going to be fitting it to my DIY test bed. So it gives me lots of options to be able to swap in and out processors without worrying about getting different coolers for each one. So that's the MasterLiquid ML120L RGB, all unboxed.